Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable intermediate features on YouTube. Enabling intermediate features on YouTube unlocks more tools to grow and customize your channel, letting you go beyond basic setup. These features include things like custom thumbnails, live streaming, advanced analytics, and more monetization options. In this full guide, I'll walk you through how to enable intermediate features on your YouTube channel step by step, helping you to make the most of your channel. So if you want to get this, just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Now let's get started. Apart from the fact that you're going to be getting features like custom thumbnails, higher daily uploads, and live streaming and the rest of them, you're also going to be getting your channel safe. You're going to be safeguarding your YouTube account by adding an extra layer of security to your channel, because in the process of enabling the intermediate feature, you have to verify your YouTube using your phone number, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that. The first step you have to take right away is to go over to your YouTube studio. You have to go over to the YouTube studio website, not the app. So what I'm going to do now is to find my way to my browser. So I'm going to be using the Chrome browser in this video tutorial. You can use any other browser that you have. So let me tap on my Chrome browser real quick. You can see right there the Chrome browser is opening up, and it has opened up. So what you have to do here now is to search for the studio website, the YouTube studio website. So let me tap on the search bar up there. Let me tap on it. Then let me go ahead now to type in the website studio.youtube.com. You have to type it in, and you can see I've typed it in. So let me tap on search. Let me tap on search. You can see, guys, it's loading up. Right here is the YouTube studio on web. This is the YouTube studio website. Now the next step I have to take now is to tap on the settings icon, and you can see it down there at the bottom left. So let me tap on it. You can't see it clearly, so what I'm going to do is to zoom in. This is the desktop version, so let me zoom in. Let me zoom in again. Now you can see the settings. Let me zoom in one more time so you can see it more clearly. Right there, guys, can see the settings icon. You can see it right there. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it real quick. So guys, now you can see under the settings we have several options. Now what I have to do now is to tap on where you can see channel. You can see there, that's the second option. So let me zoom out so you can see the whole of the screen. There is something on the right hand side that you need to see. So guys, now you can see it right there. So now what I'll do now is to tap on channel. Let me tap on channel. Right there, guys, can see channel has been selected, and you can see right there. Let me scroll now to the right. You can see we have three categories right there. You can see the basic info, the advanced settings, and the feature eligibility. You have to tap on the feature eligibility. So let me go ahead now to tap on feature eligibility. Let me select it real quick. Right there, guys, you can see feature eligibility has been selected, and under the feature eligibility you can see right there we have three category of features. The first one is the standard features, the second one right there is the intermediate features, and the third one right there is the advanced features. And in this video I want to show you how you can enable the intermediate feature, which is the second one right there. You can see it, the arrow is pointing at it. But guys, before you're going to be able to turn on or enable the intermediate feature, you must first of all enable the first one, which is the standard feature. You have to enable it, and as you can see there, mine is already enabled. You can see the first one right there. The first feature is enabled, which is the standard feature. And for you to enable the standard feature, all you have to do is to create your account. Once you've created your account and you've uploaded any video, your standard feature will be enabled automatically. But there is actually a requirement that you must meet after you've created your account. Your account must be free of any active community guideline strikes. So if your channel has any community guideline strike that is active, you're not going to be able to enable the standard feature. It's not going to be enabled for you. But if your channel is free from any active strike, any community guideline strike, then it will be automatically enabled after you've created your account. So guys, that's how it works. And as you can see there, mine has been automatically enabled because my channel does not have any active community guideline strike. What I'm going to do now is to tap on that drop down icon just next to the enable so you can see the requirement. So let me tap on it right away. Right there, guys, can see the requirements right there. It says channel is free of active community guideline strike. So guys can see my channel is free from any community guideline strike. That's why I can see that green tick right there, that green good. So guys, and that's why my standard feature was enabled. So guys can see this is the requirement, so you have to take note of that. And also, once it is enabled, once the standard feature is enabled, these are the features you're going to be getting. They said add collaborators to playlist, add new videos to existing playlist, playlist creation, and video uploads. So you can see these are basic features like video uploads, playlist creation, that anyone who creates his or her channel can be able to do immediately. You can see just make sure you meet the requirement, which is your channel being free from any active community guideline strikes. And one thing you have to know is that community guideline strikes on YouTube can happen for a lot of reasons. The main stuffs include posting content with hate speech, harassment or bullying, spamming, scams or deceptive stuff, showing violence or harmful acts, nudity or sexual content, copyright infringement, and stuffs that promote dangerous or illegal behavior. YouTube is trying to keep the platform safe and friendly for everyone. So when creators violate these rules, they get strikes. Multiple strikes can actually lead to channel termination. So guys, you have to play by the rules, so make sure of that. So what I'm going to do now is to close up this requirement for the standard feature. Let me close it up real quick. Let me tap on that icon to close it, so I can go over to the next one. Now we're going to focus on the intermediate features. You can see it right there, intermediate feature. So I'm going to be showing you guys now how you can enable it. You can see it is the second feature. So now for you to enable the intermediate feature, you must have done the standard feature. You must have enabled the standard feature for you to be eligible. So now let me scroll now to the right now to show you guys that I am eligible for the intermediate feature because my standard feature has been enabled. So let me show you guys now. Let me scroll now to the left, to the right rather. So guys, now you can see it's right there, it is written eligible. That means I can be able now to enable it. Being eligible is the first step. Once you're eligible, then you can enable it. So guys, now I'm going to show you guys how you can enable it. So now to enable it, the first step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see eligible. Tap on the drop down icon next to eligible. So let me tap on it. Right here guys, you can see the requirements. There are actually two requirements. The first one is standard features enabled, and I showed you guys that my standard feature has already been enabled. You can see it down there, up there rather, you can see it up there, the arrow is pointing at it. Now the second requirement is to verify phone number, and I can see there it is not yet verified. I've not verified my phone number, but the standard features has been enabled. I can see it has been ticked good, but the verify phone number has not been ticked good. So now for you to be able to enable this standard feature, you can see the features you're going to be getting for enabling the standard feature. You're going to be able to upload custom thumbnail, do live streaming, then upload longer videos that is more than 15 minutes. You can see it right there. So these are the features you're going to get. So let me show you now how you can enable this intermediate feature. So now for you to enable it, what you simply have to do now is to tap on where you can see verify phone number. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, now you can see it is processing. It's loading up. Then here is the next step. You can see what's written there. It says phone verification. It says to use this feature, verify your phone number. Then it says there how should we deliver the verification code to you. The first one there is text me the verification code, while the second one is call me with an automated voice message. I would prefer the first method, which is text me the verification code, and as you can see there, it has been automatically selected. If you want to use call automated voice message, then go for the second option, but my preferred is the first option. Now the next step you have to take is to select your country. You can see where it is written select your country, and my country is already automatically selected. If you want to select your country, just tap on the drop down icon on the right hand side. You can see it right there. You're going to see list of countries right there. Your country should be there, so you tap on it to select it. And the final step you have to take is to input your number. You can see where it is written what is your phone number. So you have to input your phone number and make sure you input it in the international format. For you to input your number in the international format, you have to type in your your country code first of all, then followed by your phone number, excluding the first digit of your phone number. So if you input the country code, you input your phone number, removing the first digit. Don't add the first digit of the phone number. So country code, then phone number excluding the first digit. So once you've done that, then you're cool. So let me go ahead now to input my phone number. So let me paste it since I've copied it. You can see I've pasted my phone number right there, and you can see the first 3 digits right there is my country code, while the rest of the number is my phone number, excluding the first digit of my phone number, like I said. So guys, now what I'm going to do now after inputting the phone number is to tap on next. So let me tap on next real quick. You can see guys, it's loading up. Right here is the next step. It says phone verification, step 2 of 2. A text message with your verification code has been sent to your phone number. Enter your 6-digit verification code below. And also down there it says, if you don't get the message, try going back and selecting the call me with an automated voice message option instead. So if you don't get the code, what you have to do is to go back, then select the call me with an automated voice message. I just received the code from Google. You can see it up there. So if you don't get the code, what you can simply do is to go back. You can select the call me, the automated voice message, or you can change your number. You can change the phone number. Sometimes the fault is from the number. Sometimes Google cannot reach your number, so they will ask you to input another phone number. So these are the 2 options. So you can either use the call me option or you change your number. But I've received my code. Luckily for me, in few seconds I received it. So what I'm going to do now is to get the code. So let me tap on the notification to open it up. Right there is the code. You can see the code. They said 856166 is your YouTube verification code. So let me go ahead now. Let me go back now to the platform, the YouTube Studio platform, to input it real quick. Let me input it real quick. Let me type it in. You can see and type in the code. And what is it again? 116, right? So guys, now you can see I've imputed my the 6-digit verification code. So let me go ahead now to tap on submit. That's the final step. So let me tap on submit right there. You can see it has started processing. Wow guys, you can see phone number verified. They said you can close the window and go back to YouTube. Wow guys, you can see now I've been able now to verify my phone number on YouTube. Now what I will do now is to go back now to the YouTube studio to see if the intermediate feature has been enabled. So let me go back real quick. Wow guys, you can see it right there, it has been enabled. You can see it right there, it is written enabled in green color. You can see guys, so guys, I've been able now to show you how you can actually enable your intermediate feature on your YouTube channel. You can see it right there, enabled. And also if you see the verify phone number, it has been ticked good. It has been ticked. You can see it right there. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to enable intermediate feature on my YouTube, and this is how you can actually do it. And I believe you've learned it, and I know this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Peace out.